Done. So here, let me just increase its size. Okay. I'm going to show you some of the beautiful ways of creating things. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll duplicate this up. Before duplicating, I'll just assign a beautiful font for this. Okay. Select, go to the back option. Go to the display buttons or the headings, whatever you want, wherever you want. Move to the headings if you want. Okay, this would be fine. Okay, if you want to decrease its size and make it in the same line. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll duplicate it. Come on, dear sisters and brothers, duplicate this up. Done with duplication, keep it here. I just duplicated it and placed it here. Fine. Done. Now I want you all to do one thing. I want you all to duplicate this and place it here. Done. Now I want you all to move to the effects. Move to the effects. Done. Okay. Apply holo effect. Holo means it will just give you the outline of this and not the inside of this. Fine. Holo effect. Done. Okay. Now bring something from the elements. Go to the elements. Bring something like the shapes. Okay. For example, I'll bring the shape. Okay. I'll bring the shape. Let this be of the shape. Okay. I can make this white. Fine. Let me just make the shape as white color. White colored. Okay. So I'll just place it here. And I'll bring it a bit forward. Bring forward. Done. I'll bring it forward. I'll place it here. Done. Now I'll just make it go and place it here. Dear sisters and brothers, this is the way you can just create a beautiful, beautiful logos out of it. Have you all just seen what I just did? Are you all following it along? We have created two texts. See here, I can move it in any ways. I can just break it in this way, or I can just move it in this way. Half of the seen, half of it not seen, or something like that. Or if I want, you can just make it this much in this way. Are you all doing it along? Please type yes. I want to see your progress. Okay, you want me to do it again? So come on, I'll delete it all. So I'll delete it all. See here, the first thing that I have placed is I have placed something with a heading. Fine. What my name here, I placed the brand name here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to duplicate it. Duplication is done. I placed it here. Fine. Now let me just move to the effects. Okay. Effects. Move to the effects. Done with effects. In the effects you have for the text, you have holo effect. Fine. Give the holo effect. I want you all to change the colors. Okay. Play with the colors as well. Please play with the colors. Please play with the text and create a beautiful design. It's all up to you. You can create a beautiful design in whichever way you want. For example, for this also, let me just assign a beautiful color. Okay. This suits for that. I do not know whether it suits well with that. Fine. We have to do this one here. Fine. Then I'll move to the shapes elements and just grab any shape here. Fine. I'll grab any shape. I'll make this shape white colored. Fine. I'll make this one white colored. Okay. White colored. And what I'll do is it went backwards. So what I'll do is I'll make the white shape bring forward. Let it come a bit forward. Okay. Forward. And what I'll do is I'll just place it till here. Fine. I'll increase its size. Now what I'll do, I'll select this one. I'll just place it above this. Okay. Done. Hope you are all doing it along. Yes or no? Okay, this one also suits well. Have you all understood it? We are playing with this one. What is this called? The square shape. That's all. Now, if I want to invert it and select, for example, I want to do it for this one itself. Doing it along, please let me know whether you all are doing it along with me. Only this much you can do. Only this much you can do. Whatever way you want. For each and everything, you can just do it in this way. Done? This is one way of doing things. Can you all please type yes if you all have done it along with me? By now, probably you all have created at least 5 to 6, 5 to 6 logos, right? Inshallah ta'ala. So for example, I want to change this shape. Okay, I want to change the shape, move to the shape and make it round. And if you want to just give it a round shape, for example, yahan se yahan tak, you can just give it a round shape. That's all. It's done, yes, sisters and brothers. Whichever way you want, you can just do it. Okay. If you want to change the background, usually whenever you are going for the logo, backgrounds won't come in your logos. Fine. Won't be appearing on your logos. You can just make it in your own ways. Fine. This is one way of doing things. Done. If you want, you can just write a tagline to this. And also, if you want, you just can change the E. You can just remove the E and make it a big, what we say, make it in a way that it is of the bigger font. Okay, make it, enlarge the font of the B. Okay, and if you want to duplicate this up, place this, duplicate it and place this here and make it move backward. Okay, send backward, one backward you have to send. Okay, and then if you want it again and somewhere, you can just duplicate it up, place it here, and then you can just send it backward. Only one backward. Fine. This way you can just make it appear. Fine. Okay, this is the one way of doing things. Another way. Come on, dear sisters and brothers. You have several